Good day and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to go over the wiring process for wiring up the light bar. The light rack that I actually just installed, installed it, got the lights all mounted on it as you've seen in the last video. But today we are going to get to running the wires the way I wanted to do it. Isn't going to work. The wire I have is just a little too big for what I wanted to do. We'll go over what I wanted to do real quick. So what I wanted to do was I was going to take each one of these, I was going to connect it to that wire I had, I was going to run it through and feed it all down and pull it out through. But the tubing I used is too small, and I didn't want to use big tubing because then it was just going to be out of place. So what we're going to do, so I'm going to shorten these, I'm going to wire it all up, I'm going to connect them, shorten it, connect it to the wire, connect that one to the wire, connect that one, and connect that one, and then I'm going to wire loom it all, and then we're going to see if this thing will turn them on or not. So I'll catch up with you in a few minutes. Alright, so we're going to take a quick look at the wiring here. I'm just moving some stuff out of the way before I wire loom and tape it up. Sorry, I'm up here, not down there. That's not in it right at the moment, but it is what it is. So let's take a quick look at this. So heat shrink solder connections all the way along. Boom, boom. Now this is the actual harness that's going to be mounted. It's got a relay, inline fuse, it's got the switch and all that. Just toss that down there. So now we turn all the lights back up. And yeah, so I tried this new connectors that I found. So right here, it's just a heat shrink tube, but this middle piece is solder. So there's no crimping involved. You just got to heat it up at the right temperature to get it to melt onto the wires. And then that's what it looks like when it starts, and then there's no bump in the middle, it's all gone. So yeah, so that's what I used. I got 3/8 wire loom here, and I'm going to loom it up, get some tape, tape it up, and I'm going to zip tie these. Zip tie it to the bar here, run it down. I'm going to fish all my wires through, figure out where I'm going to run it and how I want to run it, and we'll catch up with you then. So I just got this all loomed up, wired in and hooked up. I just don't have the button set inside the Hummer yet. But we're going to take a quick look at how I did it with the loom and then tying it down. So as you can see here, I loomed there and I loomed it all and I tied it all together all the way along. Then I zip tie it on every light mount. Okay. So I just have the switch hanging here. We're just going to step off to the side because they are super bright. Like, I think I'm going to order some of these for my truck. Turn it off. Now, they are bright, but we're going to shut the lights off. We're going to turn them on, and we're going to see how bright it is. I mean, the shop's not super dark. There is still light in here, but bam, look at that. Like, that is nice. Looking through the windshield, yeah, that's nice. We'll get it ready. We're gonna try. Yeah, you can't tell, but there's a strip in the middle there. So let me get the light back on in here. We'll go over these lights. They are super, super bright. They were super cheap. So honestly, I'm looking forward to seeing how well they last, how long they last, how long they hold up for. They were off Amazon, I believe, for all four of them was under $100, or it was like $60 for all four. Somewhere in there with shipping and whatnot. But so as you can see, we have the double row in the middle, which is 99% of the light. Yeah, that's where it all comes from. You can't really see these ones because that bar, those two bars in the middle, are overpowering them. Now, they are just 4-inch. I don't believe I have any of the paperwork on them still. I believe I got rid of all that. I want to say they're like 1,200 to 2,000 looms a piece. Yeah, I don't have any of it anymore. It's all gone. Threw it in the garbage. Oh well. It is what it is. But that's going to conclude today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and help me grow as a video creator and an influencer. I greatly appreciate it for the subscribers that I have now. The likes, the comments, they're all great. They're helping me grow towards what my goal is. And we will be there one day. It is a very long and lengthy process from what I've discovered in listening to other YouTubers talk. Yeah, I'm just rambling on now. Thanks for watching, and you all guys have yourselves a good day.